to all our viewers out there. My name is Heinrich Neetling, and I'll be spending the next few minutes with you. Welcome to Mathematical Literacy. Guys, in today's lesson, we'll be looking at the topic of water and electricity tariffs. Now, before we start with our lesson, I want to check with you. Did you know that 75% of the human brain is water? I'm going to repeat it. 75% of the human brain is water. Now, that is quite interesting, eh? Guys, what can you expect of this lesson? So let us quickly look at our lesson objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to, first of all, work with the following tariffs systems. That will now be your water tariffs and, of course, your electricity tariffs. Okay, what else will I expect of you? You must be able to compare two or more different options for a tariff system to determine the most appropriate or most cost-effective option for individuals or households with particular need. All right. Also, you must be able to calculate cost involving or using given tariffs and or different formulae. Then also, calculate usage using given tariffs and or formula. And then also, we'll be looking at other knowledge that you should have. So what are those pre-knowledge that you should have at this moment in time? So it's basic skills and concepts, like, for example, basic cost calculations, right? The difference between prepaid and postpaid. You must know terminology related to tariffs, such as your households, VAT inclusive, VAT exclusive, etc. You are also expected to know the different types of tariff structures, but specifically in today's lesson, we will be focusing on water and electricity tariffs. Then also, you should be able to perform calculations, very important, involving any other form of a tariff. Okay, so let us quickly do a quick pre-knowledge practice, not a test. So have your calculator ready, have your book ready, and work with me. So the first question here, it says, define the term tariff. So basically, what is a tariff? So a tariff is a cost structure. It can either be in rand or cents, and it's for a specific service. For example, water, electricity, your cell phone usage, and so on. Okay, so that's the first one. Question number 2. Electricity consumption is measured in what? That will be kilowatt hours of electricity. So that is what electricity is measured in. Then also, question number 3, it says choose the correct answer, right? 1 kiloliter equals to, and now there's our options. Is it 100 liters, 1,000 liters, or 10 liters? We know that 1 kiloliter, remember the word kilo refers to 1,000, so therefore that will be equals to 1,000 liters. Okay, so I hope all of that is clear to you. Let's quickly see what else will be expected of us. So this is just to give an idea, right? So we'll be focusing on tariffs with specific focus on water tariffs and electricity tariffs. There are also other language and words that you should be familiar with at this moment in time. Let's quickly look at those. Okay, so the first, I already indicated, a tariff is a charge, either in rands or cents, per measuring unit for a specific service, such as electricity, water, or cell phone calls, right? Then we will be looking at VAT inclusive, where the 15% VAT in South Africa is already included in the price. And then obviously we'll also be looking at VAT exclusive. Okay, so the two we'll be focusing on as we move on with the lesson. Then I also indicated here, tariffs are not always constant. For example, the price per unit, it gets more expensive. For example, the more electricity you use, the more expensive the rate becomes per unit. Then we will also be looking at prepaid. That is, you pay before any usage. And then obviously the opposite of that is what we call postpaid, where you pay after usage. All right, I think at this moment in time, let us take a quick break. After the break, we'll put all of this into context and we'll do some mathematics. See you now.